Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling captions so you can access every subtitle line. On desktop, click CC immediately, then open the gear icon to pick language. On mobile, tap the screen and enable captions. If captions are missing, use the three-dot menu and choose Open Transcript on desktop. This reveals all lines and timestamps. Once done, make sure the video is paused while you inspect the transcript so you capture full text for copying, translation, or review without missing fast dialogue. You now extract the full transcript so you can see every subtitle in one place. On desktop, use Open Transcript, then click the three-dot transcript menu to toggle timestamps off if you want clean text. Leaving timestamps helps when syncing or quoting. Once done, select and copy directly, or use browser developer tools to extract longer transcripts programmatically. Make sure to respect copyright. If you need automatic translation, hit the transcript menu and choose Translate to see all subtitles in another language. You finish by saving or exporting the subtitles and handling common failures. If the transcript is blocked, try refreshing, disabling browser extensions, or opening YouTube in an incognito window to regain access. Once done, export copied text to a document or subtitle editor. If auto-generated captions are inaccurate, enable community contributions or request the creator to upload subtitles. One key troubleshooting tip: when scripts won't appear, clear cache and test another browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.